Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. For sale is this architectural design 5-bedroom house in Christopher Drive on Old Stony Hill Road. It is priced at Jamaican 85 million or US $550,000. This 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house is on 15,000 square feet of land and is designed on 4 floors. Some features of this house include double carport, mountain views, Alexa technology, recessed lighting, ceiling fans, massive entertainment deck, and modern fixtures throughout this house. Now let's take a look at this beautiful house. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.